Yo, what's up guys? So today I got this center console off of Tahoe and I pulled it out of a junkyard. So as you see, it's so dirty, caked on. I don't know what that is, but today in this video we're gonna clean it. As you see inside, they got this dust, and also saw a little bit of makeup also at the bottom. So I'm guessing a girl owned this Tahoe that I pulled it out of. But as you see right here, there's a little bent, little bent bracket. Gotta clean that and bend it back. And here's the bottom piece. I took it all apart. So as you see, all caked on, even in the bottom and the inside. I could have cleaned the outside, but no. And we're gonna go ahead and use some 409 to clean this up, because honestly, that's the best thing that's ever worked for me. So you can see we're gonna start spraying it all down, completely down. Here we go, even the little brackets down there, because we're trying to get all that out of there, because you already know we're gonna put this in our Silverado. So you see, cleaning. And yeah, these actually just, it's a plug and play. You don't have to do any modifying, and these plug right in. And here you go, it's all complete clean after using a little detail brush.